Hey, Smalls, I think I know a way to catch Sketchy Mechanic once and for all.
How will he get there?
So, you know how whenever we have top secret information, he comes up and tries to take it? I think we can try to trick him and then catch him once and for all.
Yeah, and get him.
See this fidget cube?
Yeah.
We will make him think that this is the rarest fidget cube in the world. And then, when he goes to take it, after finding all the clues, we'll arrest him.
That's so funny.
I know, right? We just need to keep an eye out for him and then put our plan in action.
Man, I'm so bored. Wish I had something fun to do today. Wait a minute. Is that the kid cops over there?
Smalls, it looks like Sketchy's trying to spy on us. Now all we need to do is put our plan in action. Can I see the map?
Yes.
Hey, it looks like they have a map over there. I bet you they're hiding something. I gotta get my hands on that map. I'm gonna sneak over there and see what they got. Shh.
Okay, Smalls, it looks like the rarest fidget cube is right here in these woods.
Yeah. I wonder who's in those woods.
I can't hear what they're saying.
Okay, I think the chief said the rarest fidget cube would be buried under this X. Right, Smalls?
Yeah.
I better follow them quick before they get away. I gotta get that rare fidget cube.
We better go there and search it before anybody else finds it. Okay, Smalls, it looks like it can't be that far behind us. So we better go find some branches and make an X and put the fidget cube right under them. Come on, let's go.
No, I say put the fidget spinner.
Okay, come on, let's put both of them. You gotta cover it with branches, Smalls.
Yeah, so somebody don't see it.
Now, we'll mark it with the X, just like the map. Okay, Smalls, so when we see him, we'll pretend like we take a fake call, and then we'll go hide out.
Yeah.
And then we'll catch him. He's gonna go to jail for a long time, right, Smalls?
But he's going to jail for one long time.
Shh, shh, shh. I think he's coming. Pretend like you're looking for it.
Yeah.
What do you know? It looks like they haven't found it yet. Hey, what's this? Looks like they lost their map. I'm gonna find that rare fidget cube in a jiffy.
Dispatch to Unit 1.
Smalls, you got a call. Come on.
Yeah. We got a phone call.
Let me see it, Smalls.
No, I gotta use it. What the?
It's time for lunch. Head back to the station and take your lunch break.
Okay, we'll take our lunch break.
Yeah.
Come on, Smalls.
Good. Looks like they're gone. This will give me plenty of time to look for it. According to the map, the fidget cube should be right around here somewhere.
Hey, Smoth, look. He's looking for it.
Yeah.
Hey, look here. It's the X. I found it. The world's rarest Fidget cube.
He's got it. Our plan worked perfectly. Now let's go get it. Hi there.
Hi there, officers. How are you?
What you got there?
Nothing. I was just taking in the beauty of the forest.
Really? Because it looks like you got something in your hand.
Nope, nothing there. I'll see you later.
Not so fast. Smalls, get what's in his hand.
Okay. It's a Fidget cube. I know he stole these.
Well, how did those get there?
Sketchy, we set you up, and we knew you would fall for it.
I knew it.
People at home, he's going to jail for a long time. How long do you think he should stay there? Tell us in the comments, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Subscribe right down there in the bottom corner. Bye.
Let's go was fun.
Yeah. What's that over there?
Get back here.
Get back here.
You're going to jail for a long, long time.
Not again. I'm so tired of being in that place. But you gotta let me out sometime.
Yeah. Get behind bars.
Are you my guard?
Hey, Mr. Smoth, can you watch this guy while I go on break?
Yeah.
Thanks.
Psst, hey you. Do you want to help me get out of here? You do. Can I have those keys? Thank you. This is gonna be easier than stealing candy from a baby. You know I'm innocent, right? You're gonna help me open this gate? Let's open that gate. Okay, which key opens this? Red?
Yeah.
The blue?
Yeah.
The yellow?
Yeah.
What about the green?
Yeah.
They can't all open it. Which one is it? Is it the green one? Okay. It opened. Oh, you're so nice. Ah! See you later.
Hey, Officer Smoth, I'm off a break. Well, wait a minute. You're handcuffed?
Yeah.
The inmate do this to you? Well, let's get these off you. Officer Smoth, the inmate broke out of jail?
Yeah.
You saw him do it?
Yeah.
Well, we better go catch him before he breaks any more laws.
That was too easy. They ain't gonna ever catch me now. I'm out here.
Dispatch to Unit 1.
Roger.
We have a report the escapee was spotted running through the woods.
Oh no! Me and Officer Smoth will go catch him, right?
Yeah.
Come on.
Uh-oh, it sounds like those cops are coming. I better hide. But they can't see me back here.
Hey, Officer Small, do you see any sign of it? No. Well, I just have no idea how he escaped from jail. It's the weirdest thing. Let's keep looking.
That was a close one. I thought they were going to get me for a minute.
Hey, Officer Small, do you see any sign of him up here? No. Well, let's keep looking.
Like I said, too easy. That little cop, I think he likes me. I better find another place to hide. I'm gonna go over this way.
Hey, Officer Small, do those look like footprints? Officer Small, do you hear that?
Uh-oh, looks like my looks run out. I gotta get out of here.
Hey, you, stand right there.
And go back to jail? I don't think so. I'm out of here. I finally lost him. I'm home free. Yes, I'm home free. This is fantastic.
Yeah, you're home free to go back to jail.
Uh-oh.
Wait a minute. How did you get out of jail anyway?
Why don't you ask your little partner over there?
Officer Smalls, did you let him out of jail? No!
No, I swear he let me out. He gave me those keys. I unlocked the door. Wait a minute.
No. Officer Smalls would never let anybody out of jail. He knows better. People are home. How do you think he got out of jail? Tell us in the comments and don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Subscribe right here to Little Heroes. Bye, everyone.
I think your partner gone crazy. Are you crazy? What are you doing?
Come on, let's go back
You better
to jail.
catch him. You better get him before he gets away. Your partner's getting away. Your partner. You better get your partner. Hey, here he goes. I'm free.
Click on the video above to watch more Little Heroes. Bye.